Then when I come here, I'm going to do 2 minus 0, positive 2. I'm going to do 6 minus 2, that gives me a positive 4. I'm going to do 10 minus 6, that gives me a positive 4. Then I'll do 16 minus 10, that gives me a positive 6. So to get my rate of change, I'm going to for my rate of change, I'm going to write a ratio. The change in my y coordinates divided by the change in my x. So the change in my y here is 2, so I'll get 2 over 1. Then the change here would be 4 divided by 2. The change here would be 4 divided by 2, and the change here would be 6 divided by 3. And when I finish, all of these would be 2 over 1 equals 2 over 1 equals 2 over 1 equals 2 over 1. So my rate of change is constant. It's the same. So my rate of change would be constant. As I look at this next one, 3 minus 1 gives me a positive 2. 4 minus 3 is a positive 1. All right, 6 minus 4 gives you a positive 2. I got that a little too close. All right, and 9 minus 6 gives you a positive 3. When I go here, 2 minus 0 is a positive 2. 6 minus 2 is a positive 4. 6 minus 6 gives me 0. 3 minus 6 gives me a negative 3. As I look at my rate of change, I'm going to take y, the change in my y, place it over the change in my x. I'll have 2 halves equals. Here I'll have 4 over 1 equals. Here I'll have 0 over 2. And that is equal to, I have a negative 3 over 3. And those are not the same because here I'll get a 1, I have a 4, I have a 0, I have a negative 1. So it would be variable. And on this last one, to get my rate of change, 4 minus 2 is a positive 2. 6 minus 4 is a positive 2. 7 minus 6 is a positive 1. 8 minus 7 is a positive 1. Here, 4 minus 8 is a negative 4. 0 minus 4 is a negative 4. A negative 2 minus 0 is a negative 2. And a negative 4 minus a negative 2 is a negative 2. So as I look at my rate of change, I'll put y over x. I'll take a negative 4 divided by 2. See if that's equal to a negative 4 divided by 2. See if that's equal to a negative 2 divided by 1. See if that's equal to a negative 2 divided by 1. All of those are the same, so this is constant.